G'day everyone, this is part 10 of the 3Racing Sakura Ultimate Build Series. Part 10 we will be doing what is probably the most hated part of any kit, and that is turnbuckles. Now this was the turnbuckles are kind of part of part 9, but I've decided to leave them for part 10 to go through with you. Then we will go on to the assembly. What I've done is I've done the steering and the front and one of the rear turnbuckles, so we'll do the last rear turnbuckle. And one of the tools, you don't necessarily need it, but it makes things a lot easier. A set of digital calipers. I've already got it set at what I need to have it at. In the instruction manual it'll tell you the gaps in between the ball cups, and so with the digital calipers you can have it so you can set it at what length, and it just makes it easier. But if you want to and you don't have digital calipers, a ruler will be fine. But for this I'm using my digital calipers. So it comes with a basic turnbuckle tool to fit it. So what we'll do, take note to on the turnbuckles, you probably can't see it too well, but there's a little notch right here. That notch is to show you where the opposing thread goes. So generally all your threads go clockwise for in, but in this case where the notch is, it's an opposing thread, so you have to go counterclockwise to go in, and that helps with the making the ball cups go in and out. Where's the little tool? Okay, so what we'll do is we'll start by just winding it in. And then we'll do the next one. It's straightforward, but when you got what's it, 1, 2, 3, 4, when you got half a dozen of them to do, it does become a pain in the butt, and I can't, it's just something that I hate doing. Although of all the kits that I've built, I've got a Team Associated RC8T factory team truggy. All the turnbuckles were actually pre-assembled, so that was good. Same with the shocks. The shocks were pre-assembled. All I had to do was just fill them. Now, okay, so pay attention to how many turns that you do. So now what we do is with our digital calipers, put it in. So I have done one too far, so what we'll do is we'll wind it out, probably 2 turns. Okay, so we do it again, test it, and it slots in. So that's what we want to do. So now, since this is the rear one, we'll do the rear. So we'll put the front ones over here, bring this around. Okay, so they go on. It should really just be a snap. You may have to use some calipers or some multi-grips. which I will do because it's going to be a bit of a fight, so excuse me if you can't see it. So this could be a little awkward. Snaps on. It's okay, so the next one. Should just snap on. Like that. Just put the drive shaft back in, spin that around. Okay. Ah, this has become so awkward. Alright, let's try that. And snap. Alright, now we'll turn it around for the front. As I said, I've already done the steering ones, so we don't need to do that, so we'll do got the front to do now. Same thing, snaps on. This one should just snap on as well. Yep. Okay, well, snap. And there we go, folks. So those are the turnbuckles, all done, front and rear, and the steering's done. So that's the end of part 10. Part 11, we will be building the shocks, so stay tuned everyone.